Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
I'm going to try you. So you can't escape from that. You have to go to the free plan to start keep taxpayer money. Of course, they're going to try you. You want to know what I say?
Business of trying to try
Make the trumpets play.
is not the due process of our
Make the trumpets play.
and the question is still going to be asked. Are there members of my party who have been written to?
Alright. The first thing him say, this idea of people want to try people before the investigation, even before him even address if him is a part of the illicit six at the time, yes or no, you know. Him worried about people who are going to try the case before it even reaching a court. And that time problem, you know. Listen what man say. This is before him even address the illicit six, you know. Listen.
This business of trying to try people before an investigation is not the due process
This is a guilty
of our
man.
jurisprudence. And, the question is still going to be asked. Are there members of my party who have been written to for this crime of illicit enrichment? My straight answer is that I have asked as far and as wide. I have gotten that response from everyone. But as far as I have been told, no. People have been written to, as the Integrity Commission does almost daily. But I have not heard.
Alright, this Bridget is a very wicked guy. Now, that is why I'm have to play about this, you know. I want to see it already, but the more you play it, the more you can see that this Bridget is a very wicked man. Here what the man I worry about.
This business of trying to try people before an investigation is not the due process of our jurisprudence.
It is the due process of the street, Andrew. This is the street. And my member, you know, our money are thief and my brother. So we're going to try the case on the street. Of course, we're going to try the case on this. Real start how you put up so much roadblock in the Integrity Commission way. We're going to try it. And we'll find you guilty long time, you know. And the judge will wait for just Come executing judgment. But we'll find a guilty, my brother. We'll find a guilty.
The question is still going to be asked. Are there members of my party who have been written to for this crime of illicit enrichment? My straight answer is that I have
Just like that, right.
as far and as wide. I have gotten that response from
then.
everyone. But as far as I have
Hard labor to, you know.
no. People have been written to, as the Integrity Commission does almost daily. But I have not heard of anyone in my political party being written to for this matter of illicit enrichment.
So, what about yourself, my boss? Watch him face. Only look on him face. Only screenshot a picture there for me, please. Look on him face. Look on him face. Watch a liar. That is a liar look. A desperate liar. Watch it look. On a screenshot today. Watch it look. No, sir. On a screenshot today. On a screenshot today. No, man. Zachariah, oh, no, remember Zachariah, we didn't have the grade and reading book. Zachariah dumpling head. Oh, no, remember Zachariah. Where Zachariah come from? Zachariah go on back with taxpayer money, you know. Zachariah dumpling head. You need to run back the money. So the Integrity Commission give Dalrymple the option to give back the money. Him decide, say, in can't bother with that, in can't take that shame there, him decide to go challenge it. Zachariah dumpling head. We want you run back the money and explain to me now how comes you operate 28 bank account and how much business you operate. You give yourself government work, Zachariah dumpling head. What a life. Christy, big up yourself, enough respect. Christy, look at Zachariah dumpling head reading at the grade one reading book. This is the face of a thief. This is the thief in face. No, this is a face from 56 Cumberland Road. This is the face who used to piss in a chimney. What a life. What a man. On a screenshot of face there for me, please. At half of this press, screenshot of face there for me. Chrissy, screenshot of face there for me, Chrissy. I want to use it in a look more video. My next video, this is going to be one. This is an interesting photo. Zachariah dumpling head. What happened to you saying about money, my boss? How comes you open account with no money? Just receive money from SSL. Saying, then Nigel Clark have the... You see, Nigel Clark needs to come back and face him judgment, you know. He run gone say I'm going to hide. And IMF in gone. Saying going to hide, you know. But you see that 3 children with them can't get account for. It is between Andrew Wallace and Nigel Clark. So, if anything, we have to go roping back Nigel Clark. Because that Zachariah send go take out the laptop them from over SSL. Because he want to wipe off the transaction them where them operate. And maybe I them said and create SSL to, you know. Because he like create dummy company, you know. He like have shares in the things, you know. So I doubt if he never have shares in nothing, he gonna create SSL for rob people too, you know. SSL gonna create as an institution for rob people. How am I only one get money from SSL before it crash? Him are the only one get money from SSL. Zachariah dumpling head. Say he acts far and wide. And the simple answer is no. But you are worried about people are going to try the case before we go to court. See them now? You bring your son coming a bangarang. If I did me as the Prime Minister, my boss, I would try to keep my son out of this spotlight and I would keep them in the lower. You're too enough. But because you only care about yourself. That is why you have to bring your son in and them up and mix up here. But I don't even want to blame my son too. Because I have a program, I have a father, I have the thief. So you hypnotize your son to aid and betting with you in your corruption. And that is my boss. Bring your... Boy, I mean, I know. You don't love your son, my G. You don't love your son. And your son will regret this, you know. Say, you mix up him in your corruption, you know, because you go haunt him. Saying could be a pure look of youth, but you drag him in your bang around. The man say ask far and wide and the simple answer is no. You never hear nothing like this.
What has been done with each person coming out and saying, no, I haven't been written to? Who genuinely can say that they are telling the truth?
We know you're not telling the truth. We know you're genuinely really? Not telling the truth.
I could have asked and someone could say, no, I haven't been written to. Because they may have not got the letter. The letter may have been sent somewhere.
I remember, you know. when I do that interview here, him and the Integrity Commission him have a couple meeting, you know. When him have this interview here, you know. Watch him face. Eh? So one time Pierre drop out a tree, when time Pierre turn and drop out a tree and squeeze up. I know some Pierre drop far from tree and drop and squeeze up. When the near arrive, or some face look like Pierre drop out a tree and squeeze up. But who genuinely are going to tell the truth? We know you're a liar. You're a liar, bro.
I say, you know, I didn't get the letter. In other words, this process is just political gimmickry that the opposition is doing.
It don't have nothing to do with no opposition, nothing. And the opposition make you go thief. Thief in your blood, in your nature. And you bring all your sister in your thief in ring. Eh? You say NHT is not a welfare. So it is a business. And to operate as a business. So you take over NHT and start running it as your business. You take over the government and your wife run it as phone of business. You give yourself government contract and a style. And get rich and can't explain your wealth because I'm going to find out say you been to give yourself government contract. And you come on TV now and lie to the nation. And then a parade yourself around the island like a clown you are, but you want third term. Eh? Remember, you know, when I do that interview with my boss, you already know, say you under investigation, you know, because the Integrity Commission and you already keep a meeting, even at your office. And you come right just now and I lie to it. Eh? After we catch a Redeye did, you hand in the cookie jar. Right through the COVID. You have the people them for no movements day. And have your bank account for movements. He's a very wicked guy. And on top of that, my boss, I'm going to find where you say, where they? You say something more, I'm going to find it. Where they? Where they? Oh, I delete it. Look, I delete it and I'm going to show the people them something. I delete it, man. I shouldn't delete it. Like this.
I hear man talk all kind of lie about 20 million and 28 million. Lie! Me not take no salary increase. So my salary is what it was before. And I tell you something, I feel like just get back to. Because me's a proud man, you know. Me not like people tell lie for me.